Hello, friends. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of new friends not found in on Tinder app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of new friends not found in on Tinder, you should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to apps and you can click on Tinder app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can uninstall your app and you can uninstall it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.